Okay, why are you seeing a video of me being bitten by a determined sea bream and then filming a bunch of fishes, and what you may get out of it? Well, you are seeing this video because of procrastination. How is it related, you may ask? And it would be a perfectly good question, and here is the short answer. So I can stop procrastinating uploading a YouTube video. And the longer answer is the following. It's been about 5 months since I last uploaded a video which was awful. I might prompt a link somewhere. Meanwhile, I kept finding excuses like I can't edit on my laptop because it's bad, and I don't have a decent mic to record to, and I don't know this and I don't have that. So what I did was to eliminate most of my excuses. I have built a decent computer from used parts, got a $20 mic, which got great reviews, hope you like the sound, and so on, until I couldn't think of any good excuses anymore. So now, I want to get used to making videos, no matter how bad, and upload them. Now, to answer the what you may get out of it question, well, if you are like me, most certainly there is something good that you keep procrastinating. It is useful to realize that 5 months is quite a bit of time in our timeline, and it's better to start doing the thing you want as soon as possible, even if the conditions are not bad. Most certainly it will get better with time, and it's better than doing nothing. So learn from me, don't waste 5 months, do something that it might not turn that well at the beginning, but it can get better. So there you have it, the awful video that you have just watched. More awful videos are bound to come, so if you are interested in that, you can subscribe to my channel and see, maybe I can produce some good stuff after a while. If you got this far, I commend you for having patience and a brave heart. Until next time, take care.